Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the new weekly vlog. So, first of all, I want to say, I expected, I actually wanted to do a completely different vlog. It was supposed to be like vacation vlog. Not like a complete vacation. We went swimming on Sunday to the sea and we had a lot of fun, yeah, but something happened in between. So basically what I first want to talk to, obviously as you see by the title, I actually want to talk about GoPro cameras. So they're amazing. First of all, they really are. Like, I'm filming this on the GoPro camera right now, and the one I'm using now is the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Now if you watch my vlogs, then you know that I had a GoPro Hero 8 Black before, and they're amazing, I gotta say they are, but sometimes you just, I guess, overestimate things. Now, yeah, it is possible that you can go underwater with GoPro cameras as well, and you have I basically got all of the kit necessary for this camera. So we had the stabilizer, and then we had the mounts, so for the car, or I don't know, helmets, yeah, for a lot of things actually. And we also got the what is that called? Strap for the for the it's a strap for the head. So yeah, we had that, and what else? Was there anything else? I think that's it, right? So yeah, I basically got a lot of stuff with the GoPro Hero 8 actually. And obviously when you go to the vacation, you expect the camera to accompany you everywhere, right? So you take the camera with you everywhere, you want to film everything, which is completely normal, understandable, obviously. But as I said, sometimes it happens that you actually overestimate the cameras and then something can happen. So what happened in our case was that I basically took my camera with me when we went to the sea. So I filmed literally everything. We went swimming, I filmed that. We were sunbathing, I filmed that. We even rented a boat, kind of similar to a boat. I also filmed that. Even if I filmed underwater, completely okay and everything. But then we basically now how do you call that? I don't remember what's called. The thing that we went on.
I don't know.
It was basically like, let me just explain to you, maybe you'll understand better. So basically there's a scooter on the water scooter, if you say it so, and then it basically pulls you together. So you're sitting like on, it's not sofa obviously, but it was like made so it looks like it's kind of like a sofa, right? And you sit there and it basically pulls you, like the scooter pulls you. So we went there, and me, my boyfriend, and our friend, and we obviously knew that it was gonna be really fast. It's understandable, yes, but there was just, we expected the GoPro camera to survive that, So we sat down, we prepared for the ride, and at first it was like, easy. Then at first the driver, he had like his legs up, so he was sitting kind of like that and driving, and we were like, okay, that's nothing, right? And then he just put his legs down, and we were like, oh, it's getting real, right? It's getting real. And we started, and he started driving, and it was going really fast, like really, really fast. The GoPro camera was actually, my boyfriend had it and he put it on with the, strap around the head. So it was really, I would say it was really stabilized actually. But we were going so fast. I don't know. I could literally say, I'm not even lying, I could literally say we were going like 100 kilometers per hour. I mean, per hour, which is, I don't know, I really felt like we were going that fast. And at some point, obviously, the water was splashing onto us. And obviously, this led up to all the kits, so basically the strap for the head, leading to the fact that it basically slipped like step by step. And the moment he wanted to fix that, at first of all, actually, the camera was like up, filming up, and then at some point it just went down, so it basically filmed his face the whole time. And then when he wanted to fix it, the driver kind of like turned, I guess, right, and he just couldn't fix it as to he was trying to hold himself. And while he did that, the camera flew into the water, never to be seen again. Probably a lot of you probably know that you're not supposed to take your camera with you on this kind of ride. I don't know what was going through our head. As I said, we really overestimated the camera. Like, I really thought that strap thing was gonna be so tight that it could, like, resist everything. Like, it could hold on till the very end. But apparently, I was really wrong. So at one moment, like, I literally, I was just like, I was in between, I was in the middle. And I just looked over and I saw that he didn't have a camera on, and he was like, the camera just fell down. I was like, what? So we basically stopped the driver, like immediately we said like, just stop. And we told him like our camera fell into the water. And as he wanted to, look for the camera, he leaned down and then his glasses fell down. The sea is freaking huge. And we don't know the exact place that we actually lost it because we were going so fast. We were just like making circles all the way. So it's Wednesday today, so that happened on Sunday. So I really wanted to do a completely different vlog here, but it just, I had some footage. I had a lot of footage actually of this day because that was actually the last thing we did. Riding with that scooter, but unfortunately that happened and my mind was just blown. But I was like, you know what, I mean, I'm not gonna be sad about it, I'm not gonna be mad about it. It's just things like that happen, obviously. I mean, if you're smart enough, you don't actually take your camera with you on that kind of ride. We unfortunately were stupid, and I just don't want you guys to do the same mistake, although probably a lot of you know that this is not a good idea. So not to take your camera with you on this fast kind of ride. But as I said, I really don't know what was going through our heads. It was like, yeah, it's gonna survive, it's gonna be good, like it's gonna hold on. No, for sure not. It would hold on, it would, if the water wasn't like going directly into our faces. I think it would survive. Unfortunately my GoPro Hero 8 is somewhere in the ocean, somewhere far away. No one even knows. We were thinking of maybe, like, I was talking to my coworker today and even he said, what if you would like tell someone, like even pay them to go like scuba diving and maybe they'll find your camera. And he is right though, but I have a feeling that camera wouldn't be good anymore. I mean, it's literally in the bottom of the ocean. It can't survive that, right? I mean, it can, or can it? No, right? Because it's way too deep. It can go, how far it can actually go? I mean, how deep? 2 meters. I mean, it's done already. Like, seriously, it's been in the water for 3 days now, so I don't think we'll have the luck. I mean, I could tell someone or even pay them to go scuba diving to find it, but I don't think I'll have any luck with that. And I even think that you're not supposed to dive there because of the scooter going around, so people don't get hurt, you know. Yeah, unfortunately, we won't be able. I don't think we're actually ever gonna find it. Maybe some people will find it in like 50 years or so, and it's gonna be like an experiment of like, oh, what were people having in 2021? Like that's what they were filming with. I don't know. Maybe I just left that as an evidence of the previous life. The same day, we ordered a new camera, obviously, because you know I was like, you know what, I have to have another camera, obviously, because if I had 4K videos now, I don't want to change that up to filming with phone and having, you know, worse quality. Like, why do that when I can just buy another camera? I mean, buy another GoPro. So we were scrolling through Amazon, and the best thing for me now was this camera. So that's, as I said, is GoPro Hero 7 Silver version. So I'm gonna also link it down below if you want to check it out. I ordered it on Amazon on Sunday, and I also put on the fast delivery, and it literally came yesterday, so on Tuesday. So it took them 2 days to come. So awesome, really. Like, I got the new camera already, so I'm so excited. I'm just glad I have it because, as I said, I was filming 4K videos now, and I want to continue to do so. So yeah, that's my little story, and I just hope you guys don't make the same mistakes as I did. I mean, you learn from your mistakes, right? So I know not to take my GoPro camera with me on those fast kind of rides. Even if we go to Gardaland or maybe Aqua Park, or I don't know. I'm just scared now, so I won't take my GoPro camera with me on fast drives. Yeah, the moral of the story, don't overestimate your camera. But yeah, as I said, we learned from our mistakes, so yeah, this camera is also good. It is kind of different. The difference is, obviously I'm gonna show you the picture of Hero 8 and Hero 7 so you can actually see the difference. But also one of the main differences is on the GoPro Hero 8 you actually have the screen on your front. So while I'm filming that on Hero 8, I could actually see the status of the battery, and I could actually see the time that I was filming. It was all written in the front, while on the GoPro Hero 7 you don't have that. You have like a silver screen and that's it. So that's what I'm missing here, but it's okay, like I can survive without that. Apart from that, it's basically all the same. Maybe even the audio is better on Hero 8. But you can just, you know, fix that with editing, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, I'm gonna film, obviously the next videos are gonna be probably I'm just gonna take care of this camera, I promise, to you and to myself. I'm gonna take care of it. And I'm gonna film a lot of vacation videos because obviously it's summer, we have to take care of it, take advantage of it, and go somewhere, and I just want to show you everything. So yeah, that was my little talk. I really hope you found this helpful. I really hope you also enjoyed the video. Please give it a like if you did, and also subscribe if you're new. And yeah, thank you so much if you watched it. I really appreciate it. Hope you learned something from it. But yeah, thank you so much again, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. But also the next video will be fashion video, so keep an eye out for that one, and I'll hopefully see you there. So stay safe until then, you guys. Bye!